Space is big, really big. It's hard to imagine just how vast the universe truly is. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions upon billions of galaxies out there. Think of them as islands of stars, gas, and dust, scattered across the cosmic ocean. Each galaxy is a magnificent structure, home to countless stars and perhaps even more planets. But these islands aren't fixed in place. Just like everything else in the cosmos, galaxies are in constant motion. They drift through the emptiness of space, influenced by the gravity of their neighbors. This cosmic dance can be slow and graceful, or it can lead to spectacular collisions of unimaginable scale. You might be wondering, how can something as vast as a galaxy collide? It seems impossible given the sheer amount of empty space between stars. But we have to remember that galaxies aren't solid objects. They're more like clouds, diffuse and spread out over unimaginable distances. Galaxies move because of gravity. Just like the Earth orbits the Sun, galaxies are drawn to each other's gravitational pull. Smaller galaxies orbit larger ones, and sometimes their paths intersect, leading to a collision. Imagine a waltz on a cosmic scale, where galaxies twirl and sway under the invisible hand of gravity. These dances can last for billions of years. Over these vast stretches of time, the distances between galaxies can shrink, and eventually, their paths intertwine, setting the stage for a breathtaking cosmic event. But don't worry, these collisions aren't like car crashes. They're more like a merging of two clouds. Stars don't usually hit each other directly. Space is just too big. When galaxies collide, they don't just smash into each other. It's a slow, drawn-out process that can take millions, even billions, of years. As galaxies approach each other, their gravitational fields begin to interact, pulling and stretching the galaxies out of shape. Imagine two spiral galaxies, their arms swirling gracefully, beginning to distort and warp as they draw closer. As the galaxies intertwine, vast clouds of gas and dust within them collide. These collisions trigger bursts of star formation, lighting up the galaxies with newborn stars. The night sky would be ablaze with the light of 1 trillion suns. These collisions are more like a dance than a crash, a slow, graceful interaction that reshapes these cosmic structures over eons. One of the most famous examples of a galaxy collision is the antennae galaxies. These two spiral galaxies are caught in a mesmerizing gravitational dance, their shapes distorted into long antenna-like tails of stars and gas. Another example is the Whirlpool Galaxy, where a smaller galaxy has plunged through the disk of a larger one, creating stunning waves of star formation. Our own Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. Don't worry, this won't happen for another 4 billion years, but when it does, the two galaxies will merge into a single giant elliptical galaxy. Galaxy collisions are a testament to the dynamic nature of our universe, a constant cycle of creation, destruction, and rebirth on a scale that's hard to fathom. They remind us that even in the vastness of space, nothing stands still. Everything is in motion, forever changing, forever evolving.